Hi everyone, this is Joseph from foldable Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I got another phone in the lab to review. This time I decided to pick up the Oppo Find N2. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, go over the specs, and give you my first impressions of the device. But before I do all that, check this out. Okay everyone, so I hope y'all enjoyed the quick unboxing, but yes, this is the Oppo Find N2. I decided to pick it up from GigsTop. I think that's how you pronounce it. It comes in 3 different colors. It has a 512 gigabyte storage. This is 256 with 12 gigs of RAM, which I will get into the specs in a little bit. But in this part of the video, I'm gonna just give you my first impressions. I've been using it for about an hour now, setting up some of the apps. With these phones from overseas, there's a little bit, more work that goes into setting up these phones as far as getting the notifications and everything else. But just to recap, you got a charging cable. GigsTop did go ahead and send out a 60-watt charging brick. Then you also get this nice little case, which I probably will use. I don't have any cases coming in. And then you get the instructions and everything else. When you get it from GigsTop, you do get Google Play services installed. So I have Google apps on here now, which I've been downloading and actually using. The great thing with the update to Android 13, you can actually use Google messaging and do group text, and it's actually working out. I actually tried that out the first time. I need to give a shout out to Gadget Goddess, or Gigi, or Kimmy, whatever you call her. She goes by many different names. She is the one that actually put me on to the Find N1, and then also told me to get the Find N2. Like, what am I waiting for? She is the import queen of YouTube. She has so many different phones that she imports. She picked up this phone. I know she has it right now. Go check out her channel. She will have different coverage on here than what I would do. She probably will have more cases also. So go check out her channel. I will have the links in the description. She makes some great videos and she knows all about these imports. This look at that color. But let's go over the specs really quick. So the front display is a 5.54 AMOLED panel. Yes, it is AMOLED. It is a beautiful looking panel so far. The inner display is a 7.1 inch AMOLED panel, 120 hertz refresh rate. It has pen support. I did not pick up the pen yet. I was thinking about it, but it's like $100 on GigsTop, so I do not have the pen yet. But I will put it against the Fold. Look at the comparisons. This one is more square. You know how the Fold is. The Fold is the beast though. But you can see that the Fold is really good too, which I'm gonna compare them. We'll do a lot of, oh, I like that screensaver. We'll do a lot of different comparisons, but as you can tell, I have the Play Store. I also have YouTube and YouTube Studio. It says that I'm getting 5G up there. See if my camera will focus. I downloaded the Speed app. It's not getting 5G speeds, but this phone is good so far, but that's the display. You also have a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It doesn't have the Gen 2. I don't know what Oppo did there, but the the 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset is a great chip also. This version right here is 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. You have a 4520 milliamp hour battery. It has 67 watt wireless charging, so it is going to charge your phone really fast. On the back, you have a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and then you also have a telephoto lens. It is color coded or something with Hasselblad. You know, OnePlus and Oppo, or sisters. I think Oppo is the parent company of OnePlus, so Oppo is teaming up with Hasselblad. So we will test out the cameras. Yes, I'm gonna put it against the Fold 4 cameras, do a little comparison there. The in-the-display camera is a 32 megapixel camera, and then the front camera up here is also 32 megapixels. So you have many different cameras to choose from. Stay tuned to the channel. I will go over all the camera settings and really try out the cameras just to give y'all an idea of what these cameras can do. It is running Android 13 straight out the box with ColorOS 13. Again, when I got it from GitStop, it is running the Play Store, but let's go over the phone. You have your power button there. The volume rockers are on the same side. At the bottom, you have your SIM card slot, a microphone, USB Type-C charging. You also have dual speakers on here. At the top, you have a microphone. Then you have that beautiful display. The fingerprint scanner works pretty good. On this side, you have nothing, but look at that display though. And then Fold N2, you have flex mode on here. They call it flex mode. And the hinge, look at the hinge. When you compare it to, there's a lot of comparisons in this video. When you compare it to that, see that little opening? I don't know how they get away with the hinge, but they do. Also, you have a little brand in here. It says Find N right there. I do like the hinge. It looks a little bit smaller. You have some brand in there. And then the back is like this, not glossy, but matte finish, which we all love. But y'all let me know what type of videos you want to see from me on this video. On this phone. I'm going to try to do a gaming video. I know a camera test. Maybe even to show y'all what kind of speeds I get in the US using this phone. Overall, like text and call in. Shout out to Reppin' Time Fitness. But as you can tell, I'm getting my notifications also. The screen looks great. Now, it does have a pre-installed screen protector on the front and then also in the inside. I am not going to try to uninstall that at all. I know Gigi does, but I'm not that brave. But if you want to see, let's see how much storage I have. If I can find it in here. But I was able to download all these apps pretty quickly and not have any problems with it. So right now I'm using 35 gigs of the 256, which is not bad. But like I said, I have Google Play Store, I have Google Apps, Google Maps, I have everything that I need on this phone. So we'll be trying it out. I'm still reviewing the Motorola phone. Look at that difference. Merry Christmas. Red and green, that is a great combo. Let's see how this case fits. I love how the case is the same color almost. It has a little grip to it. I probably will be rocking this case until I can find some more. I'm gonna have to watch Gigi's videos and see what cases she picks up. But again, this has just been a quick introduction to the phone, like a first impression. Stay tuned to the channel. I will be doing more in-depth videos on it, maybe even like a first things that you should do with it. But let's see. Let's check out the cameras too. Quick camera test. You got to agree to everything. But here's the picture itself. Not bad. Actually, it looks pretty good. Go blue, by the way. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see on this phone. Like I said, I will try to make any videos y'all want to see. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Oppo Find N2, also the Motorola, maybe even the Z Fold 4. Just hit that notification bell. I will be dropping videos. Can't wait for 2023. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.